What happened, Sue?
I just finished watching Spirited Away.
And what is that?
What? You don't know? It's impossible! Oh no! It was the last tissue.
Oh, I will never watch this then! If you cry about it, I will definitely too! You know I'm very sensitive!
I'm gonna call Roger and ask him to buy more tissues. He's at the store now. And while he's away, we can make a craft from this empty box.
Let nothing be wasted!
Hi guys! Today we're gonna make something very unusual.
Take this, Sue! It will be the Spirited Away bathhouse! Can you believe it, guys?
Yeah, we haven't done anything like that yet. First, we need to make a sturdy base.
Oh my Veta! We should seal up the tissue hole! I mean, since we want to build something on top of it, am I right, Sue?
You're absolutely right, Sammy. This goes here.
As for the walls, this piece of foam board might come in handy! What do you think?
You're right! It's perfect! Now let's make the first floor. Let's glue all the walls together. Be very careful with the glue gun, guys. This way.
I found a nice piece of cardboard, but you seem to not need it. I'll use it then!
Guys, we've already covered our little box with putty. Now all the edges are smooth. Sammy, what are you doing there? Don't you want to help me?
I am helping you! Check out this main entrance!
Whoa! It looks so cool! And we'll place it right in the middle.
I got that hint! I think I know what I should do!
In the meantime, we'll use some texture paste. Cool! My trick did work out!
But what's different? That guy over there didn't get it.
Just have a closer look. Do you see this fine texture now?
Okay, but look at what I've made!
Wow, Sammy, so detailed! How did you do this?
Oh, that's simple! A few wooden sticks, plastic net, and a piece of cardboard did the trick!
I see you really got inspired! Guys, stay tuned! We'll be right back!
I've been thinking. Spirited Away sounds kinda strange. Is it a horror movie or something?
It's a Japanese animated fantasy film by Hayao Miyazaki about a 10-year-old girl, Chihiro, who accidentally appeared to be in the world of spirits. Guys, check it out! We've whittled the bolts uneven to make the whole construction look more realistic.
And then, what happened to Chihiro next?
Yubaba, a witch, turned her parents into pigs. So Chihiro had to work in Yubaba's bathhouse to find a way to return home.
And who's your favorite character in this story?
I think the No-Face.
Sounds so mysterious. And who is it?
It's a spirit who kinda has a white face. He always offers gold to different characters, then swallows everybody.
I knew it was a horror movie! That sounds terrifying!
Why don't you watch it first and then make conclusions? Guys, we need to make small storm shutters over here.
Me to the slime face, Sue!
Hey, Slime Face, can you please help me with the shutters?
Okay. Just let me change.
He always gets carried away so easily.
Sue, stay focused! I'm gonna show you the real magic! Are you ready, guys? Whoosh!
Wow, Mr. Slime Face, you're a true craft master!
Okay, my part's done. Can I go play now?
Okay, let's deal with the balconies. Here we go. Another one goes here. And this little cute one over here.
Playing alone is kinda boring. Whoa! So you did great!
Thanks, Sammy. Guys, we're done with the first floor. Keep watching if you want to see the final result. It's time to take care of the second floor. First, we need to prepare everything.
Of course! There are so many constructions! We gotta secure the floor well!
And the bulks will help us with that.
What are you talking about?
The bulks, you know, like these.
Should we cover it all before the next step?
Right! Once a gifted slime, always a gifted slime.
I have some bolts here too! Make way! Oh, what? You don't need these anymore?
Don't be upset. We can use those to make the flooring. I defo like how it turned out.
Here's another cardboard piece for you. Hey, what are these nets all about?
These are gonna be the walls. Now we'll put this piece right here.
Ah, now I see. Me like it.
Okay, Sammy, let's continue. We're gonna glue some more bolts like this to the inner corners of this net room. Another one goes here. And here, this way.
And I'm proud to announce that I've made one more balcony!
Oh, it's so cute. We'll put it right here. Let's speed up the process a little bit. Huh? It's so great! I can't wait to see the result! Okay, guys, we're starting to work on the last floor.
Does it mean you're almost done?
We're at the finish line, but don't forget that when the house is ready, we will need to paint it.
Sue, something's telling me it's yours!
Let's make the walls. This way.
Wow, it looks cool, Sue!
If you like this craft as much as we do, guys, then give us a thumbs up. Up!
Sam the Builder is here to help you speed up the process. Move, Sue!
Oh, that impatient slime is always in a rush. Hey, what's going on? Sammy? Oh, wow! This looks terrific, guys! Just check out this long wooden balcony.
Go on!
You did awesome, but you forgot about one thing.
What? What are you talking about?
The whole construction should end with the roof, remember?
Oh, right. Maybe we can start painting already! You do know this is my favorite part I never forget about!
Just give me a second, Sammy. We can't leave this roof without any decorations.
Sue, I have a question. Do you trust me? 'Cause I can do this!
Wow, where did you get such charming details?
Oh, Sue, don't you know that Slime Face never reveals his secrets?
Right, and this tower will look perfect right here on the very top of our bathhouse.
Huh, it's high time for the craft inspection. Uh-huh, this looks great, and this too. That's one tall and beautiful craft, huh?
Guys, give me just a second to get the paints and we'll proceed. And now the most beautiful part is left, decoration.
Who said decorations?
Guys, you might need a pair of protective gloves to keep your hands clean.
The next step is painting? Am I right?
Not exactly. First, we need to cover our bathhouse with the base. Let's protect our table as well. And now we can apply the primer to our craft.
Here it is! I am always one step ahead.
That's right. Guys, be very careful. Ta-da! A tiny bit of magic never hurts.
Now we need to create some artistic details and add some shades.
You should be careful with the airbrush, guys. This tool is totally not a toy. Hup!
And never use the airbrush without the adult supervision.
Let's get started from the top.
You're gonna need it for the details!
Thank you, Sammy! What would I do without you?
Do you mind if I worked on the walls?
Not at all! Painting together is always fun!
Oh, just look at how these colors match! I've got one more idea!
I wonder what this slime is up to this time. Wow, guys, check this out! We have a beautiful golden rose up here, and a very authentic outdoor sign right above the entrance.
And here's some greenery! I impressed myself with my ideas today!
Yeah, and you're impressively modest.
Oh, this craft is so cool and high!
And thanks to this, we can put even more decorative elements on it.
Check out this guy, Sue! That's a little brother of that no-face fellow!
He is so cute, Sammy. So guys, this is it! Now you can take a closer look at our bathhouse! me guess, you just finished watching Spirited Away?
Yes, Sue! What a story!
Guys, if you liked this craft, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye!